Wayne,
Yes, Waynetta.
do you know what day it is today?
Yes, Waynetta. It's Free Advice Friday.
Oh, Wayne,
Yes, Waynetta.
what you doing with that pen in your hand?
I'm filling in our insurance claim for all the stuff we got in it.
Hey, Wayne,
Yes,
don't
Waynetta.
forget our 60-inch TV, will ya?
Got it.
And you know, don't forget our PlayStation either. Oh, and Wayne,
Yes, Waynetta.
don't forget my diamond ring you bought me 'cause you love me.
Oh.
So,
Yes, Waynetta.
so it's a good job, isn't it, Wayne, that we saved all them receipts. We scanned them and saved them in, didn't we, to that cloud thing?
Yeah, all of them. Took photos, took receipts, scanned them all. They're all on the cloud, darling.
Oh, 'cause I'm rubbish with receipts. I lose them all the time. Oh, and it's rubbish we were burgled in first place, isn't it? Oh, so Wayne,
Yes, Waynetta.
what are we gonna do about it?
When we get the insurance money through, we're going to get a new burglar alarm system.
Woo! We are going up in world, aren't we?
Yes. So, my name's Chris Mortimer from Crism Security, and today is Free Advice Friday. Thank you so much for your comments last week. Please drop some down below this week, and I shall see you next week.